Flood victims in Kogi State are still reeling from the disaster that displaced them from their homes, affecting their livelihood and state infrastructure across the 9 local government areas of Kogi State, and forcing them to take shelter at the internally displaced camp set up by the present administration.
This flood don't break our house. So as the flood break our house now, we park our road outside. So as we come to hear them for radio, say to government won't help people where water carry their house like this. Now I can't come.
What she's distributing so far, to me, I think the government has tried.
Donated food items were distributed to the people in the camp, who also call on the state government to make available the basic necessities, while bemoaning their plight and desire to return to their homes when the conditions become conducive.
As this place is there now, no water, no light. So we have problem of water and light. So we pray for God. May governor come, may come help us with water.
This is natural disaster, and there is nothing the government could do to stop it. And the only thing we can do is to ensure you're safe.
The IDP camp presently accommodates about 1,000 people, and the Kogi State government has maintained its resolve to mitigate the impact of the flood on the victims.